Apple is already gearing up to introduce its highly anticipated iPhone 17 series this year, and the tech world is already vibrating with excitement. As the successor to the iPhone 16, this next generation of iPhones promises to deliver some breakthrough innovations, with advances in design, camera technology, performance, and networking. The iPhone 17 series is growing up to be a game-changer, sources have claimed. There's also talk that the entire iPhone 17 series will include an anti-reflective display, which could be more scratch-resistant than the present ceramic shield used on iPhones. Additionally, Apple might be aiming to replace the iPhone 17 Plus with a new model, potentially titled the iPhone 17 Air. Find herein everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 series, including what models to expect, upgrades over prior iPhones, specifications, release dates, and where you can buy them. What models to expect? In 2025, Apple will produce 4 separate iPhone 17 models. These models include iPhone 17. This is the standard model in the series, delivering necessary features and performance. iPhone 17 Pro, a step up from the standard model, with advanced features like enhanced camera capabilities, higher RAM, and premium design materials. iPhone 17 Pro Max, the most premium alternative, offering the best of the best in terms of performance, camera technology, and display features. iPhone 17 Slim, also rumored as iPhone 17 Air. This new variant is expected to be the thinnest iPhone yet to be released, sporting a sleek, slim design similar to the MacBook Air, insiders have disclosed. Tech analyst Ross Young said a few months back that the next iPhone 17 and the highly anticipated iPhone 17 Air would feature ProMotion OLED panels. The iPhone 17 Plus will be absent in 2025, as Apple looks to be moving away from this model. Instead, it will pick for the iPhone 17 Slim as the new mid-range choice between the ordinary iPhone 17 and the Pro variations. Although it is not yet apparent if the iPhone 17 Slim will be priced higher than the Pro models or positioned as a more reasonable choice, it will undoubtedly appeal to those searching for a fashionable yet competent handset. Key improvements of the iPhone 17 series over previous models. Hereunder are the primary areas of improvement of the iPhone 17 series over prior iPhones according to leaks and rumors. 1. Design and build quality. The iPhone 17 series is said to sport a smaller and sleeker design, with the iPhone 17 Slim being the smallest model at just 6.25mm in depth. Apple will likely use premium materials like titanium aluminum and aluminum for the frames, boosting durability without adding bulk. The iPhone 17 Pro versions will return to an aluminum frame with a half-glass, half-aluminum back to boost strength and longevity, while also keeping wireless charging functionality. The general look is expected to be modern, with maybe some camera design tweaks. 2. Display technology. ProMotion technology, which enables a 120Hz refresh rate, will be integrated into all variants of the iPhone 17 series. This means smoother scrolling, improved video playback, and a better overall user experience. Additionally, Apple is rumored to be working on an anti-reflective and scratch-resistant coating, boosting the endurance and quality of the display. The iPhone 17 Slim, with its 6.6-inch screen, is likely to find a compromise between display size and portability, resting between the 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch screens of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. 3. Camera upgrades. One of the most important enhancements in the iPhone 17 series will be in the camera sector. All models are believed to come with a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, a major jump from the 12-megapixel sensors in the current iPhone models. The Pro Max model is rumored to include a trio of 48-megapixel back cameras, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, while the Slim model may adopt a single 48-megapixel rear camera with a centered design. This camera arrangement will certainly increase low-light performance and overall image quality. 4. Performance enhancements. The iPhone 17 series will be powered by Apple's new A19 chip, built on an improved 3nm technology. This processor will deliver superior overall performance and power efficiency, leading to enhanced battery life and faster speeds. The Pro variants are rumored to come with 12 gigs of RAM, while the regular and Slim models will contain 8 gigs, allowing for smoother multitasking. This upgrade will make the iPhone 17 series capable of tackling more demanding tasks with ease. 5. Connectivity and battery. The iPhone 17 series will come equipped with Apple's first in-house 5G modem, which will enhance energy efficiency and lessen reliance on Qualcomm components. The gadgets will also support Wi-Fi 7, delivering faster and more consistent internet connectivity. Additionally, Apple is likely to use new battery adhesive technology, making it easier for customers to change and repair batteries, a long-requested feature from iPhone lovers. 6. Apple Intelligence. According to Forbes, the iPhone 17 series would come with major improvements to Apple Intelligence, which is a personalized version of the generic artificial intelligence. Next, iPhone 17 overheating issues might be avoided with new cooling tech. Apple might have a cure for overheating issues with the incoming iPhone 17. According to Chinese outlet My Drivers, the iPhone 17 series will purportedly be constructed with a vapor chamber cooling technology to address any overheating that might happen. Building phones with vapor cooling heatsinks is quite prevalent for Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel ranges. However, Apple has yet to adopt this way of regulating overheating, which flows vaporized liquid through a chamber within the phone. This technique is slightly thicker than typical cooling systems, which might be why prior iPhones weren't created with this technology. Adopting a vapor cooling system will assist preserve performance even during intensive use, such as gaming. The iPhone 15 was plagued with overheating concerns, according to Apple consumers who said their phones would grow too hot to touch. Apple implemented a patch via a software update, and despite worries that it may slow down the gadget, testers confirmed that it operated without any concessions to speed. Although the iPhone 16 had enhanced thermal cooling, there were still reports of overheating with the iPhone 16, although less widespread. To accomplish this ultra-thin design, Apple is apparently deleting various components, including the traditional SIM card slot. The iPhone 17 Air will rely exclusively on eSIM technology after Apple's decision to delete the actual SIM slot from iPhone 16 models in the US. This shift is expected to extend to the European market with the iPhone 17 Air, making it the first Apple smartphone in the region to ditch the actual SIM card. By removing the SIM slot, Apple frees up important internal space. The space saved can be used to reconfigure components like the battery, ensuring it maintains appropriate capacity despite the reduced chassis. In many regions of Europe, most telecom carriers already support eSIM technology. Apple's new design will enable multiple eSIM profiles, allowing customers to install and manage up to 8 eSIM on the iPhone. While the elimination of a real SIM slot is a huge change, it is not the only feature being streamlined. The iPhone 17 Air is also said to contain a less advanced camera technology compared to higher-end models. The phone is rumored to contain a 48 megapixels camera with one additional lens, while the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max variants will incorporate more advanced dual or triple lens systems. We've barely begun 2025, yet there are already rumors about what to expect with the iPhone 17 series arriving this September. Apple might unveil the A19 chip for the iPhone 17 Pro, and all versions might get a better selfie camera. And then there's the alleged slimmest model yet, called iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Slim, to replace the Plus variants. That said, Apple is apparently trying to squeeze a 6mm battery into the reduced footprint. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to follow Mashable on Microsoft Start. Now, should you wait for the iPhone 17? While this is the ideal moment to acquire the iPhone 16, Apple will announce the iPhone 17 in September this year. Based on the leaks and reports, the iPhone 17 series is likely to feature a range of advancements over its predecessor, the iPhone 16, increasing both performance and user experience. One of the most notable upgrades could be the new A17 Bionic chip, promising improved performance and energy efficiency compared to the A16 chip. This would result in smoother multitasking and greater overall speed. Design-wise, the iPhone 17 may sport thinner bezels and a more refined form factor, maybe combined with an updated ProMotion display, offering higher refresh rates or better brightness for an enhanced viewing experience. Camera enhancements are also predicted, with upgraded sensors, better low-light performance, and new computational photography tools. The iPhone 17 might potentially include enhancements to zoom capabilities and a more sophisticated telephoto lens. Battery life should see improvements as well, thanks to better power optimization from the A17 chip and potentially a larger battery. Another major update could be the shift to a USB-C connector for speedier charging and data transfer, matching with industry trends. Furthermore, the iPhone 17 could offer new technologies such as under-display Face ID or increased augmented reality capabilities, setting the groundwork for a more immersive and futuristic experience. Overall, the iPhone 17 is likely to deliver gradual but considerable improvements over the iPhone 16. Rumors claim it will have full integration with Apple Intelligence upgrades, an updated camera system, a revised look, and an entirely new model. However, getting the iPhone 16 now still comes with its rewards, as Apple's trade-in scheme next year is anticipated to give amazing rates for upgrading. For those seeking an immediate upgrade, the iPhone 16 series already promises a cutting-edge experience with iOS 18 and access to the impending Apple Intelligence capabilities. Why does it matter? Obviously, more expensive than the iPhone Pro Max suggests a price tag of at least $1,199, potentially even as high as $1,299, for a slimmer iPhone with less features, a degraded battery life, and a single camera. That didn't seem particularly worth it. Sure, it would have looked extremely great, and perhaps would have established the framework for future iPhones to be slimmer, but it wouldn't have made too much sense to buy. More lately, we've even heard that the iPhone 17 Air will lack a second speaker, relying exclusively on the earpiece to output audio. With so many sacrifices, it never would have made sense to pay such a huge premium for. However, if subsequent reports are to hold true, we're now expecting a model cheaper than the Pro ones. It isn't clear what this implies exactly, because there might potentially be a price bump with the iPhone 17 Pro, but nonetheless, the iPhone 17 Air should come in under $1,000. If there is no price hike on the iPhone 17 Pro, then the 17 Air may potentially go as low as $899, taking the same price point as iPhone 16 Plus. That dramatically affects the value proposition there, putting the new model up to $400 cheaper than we first expected. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.